My name is Gera Gerard. I'm a retired school teacher. I used to teach art over in Madison County. I've been living in Spruce Pine for the last 15 years, and I just moved to Burnsville. But I heard a lot about crews from church members over in Spruce Pine, and I've been going to a chiropractor for about 20 years, and I know the value of chiropractic. But the laser is something that I call magic. I had a little bit of an experience with a laser with my other chiropractor, and I had torn a ligament in my knee, and they wanted me to do surgery. I don't like the word surgery, but it was very painful, and I had a chance to do a little laser. It wasn't as elaborate as what they have here, but two treatments, and there was no pain. Didn't have to do the surgery, and that's been over a year ago. And when I came here, I was a mess, stressed out, a lot going bad. When you get older, things start to fall apart. But I had a problem, and I had hurt my back. I had a hairline fracture and a herniated disc, and again, they wanted to do this big needle. The thought of putting a needle in my back is scary. I had a lot of special health issues that would be complicated to do that. And I thought, well, the laser worked on my knee. Why not try it on my back? 3 treatments and no pain. Absolutely none. It is amazing to me. I had a short stay in the hospital last month, and came out of the hospital with a migraine, something I'd never had. I have some sinus issues, and when I came for my appointment that afternoon, I was just a mess, and they suggested, Lisa said, why don't we try the laser? I haven't had a headache since like that. It is amazing, but I have issues with medications, and there was a sore in my mouth. It's hard to do a sore in your mouth. Never even thought about it, but she put the laser over my forehead and the lower part of the sinuses over my mouth. That sore healed immediately. I was floored, and the next day I told Lisa, I said, this is amazing. I asked the nurse while I was in the hospital what caused a sore in your mouth, because I'd never had them, and I was on an antibiotic, and more the pills and things they give you have these side effects that are just worse than what you're trying to heal. And this is the best way to go. To be pain-free is a blessing, and that's what I am, pain-free. I felt good all this week. It's the first time in 6 months. It's amazing to me, and I just come here every day. You always find something else that needs to be fixed when you get my age. But it makes life worth living. If you have to live with pain, it's just hard to function from one day to the next. And your life just isn't as good. And the laser has changed all that. I think more and more doctors are going to start recognizing the value. I preach to all my doctors and anybody that'll listen to me, my family. Young people too have issues of pain, and it's not just people in their 60s like me, but I highly recommend it.